I wanted to do a video on our automatic door openers for our chicken coop and ducks. This is the actuator right here we have. They run, the ones I got run on 12 volts. They're very, very sturdy. We already had our doors where they would open up, so all I had to do is just screw it to there and run the wires in. We also have them over here on the chickens, like I said, so we got 3 total, and they're all wired together so they run at the same time. So let me go in here to the actual house and show you where they come into. I've got just a junction box up here. I'm using that as a junction box, and you see the wires coming in and they go out to the different doors, so the doors will open up all together, and they come in here, and this is the junction box, and it's also the power supply, which takes the 120 volts and drops down to 12 volts to run those. And then here's the timer. This is a double pole, double throw, single action timer. So when it's on the on position, I've got it where the doors are open, and the actuators have limit switches in them so that they automatically will stop in the up or down position when they get all the way extended or all the way up. So we'll just test it here manually, and I'll show you. So if the timer goes off, then the doors, they start closing in. Y'all better move, y'all better move. And you see how the actuators are causing the doors to come down. And then I can stop it. Normally what would happen, well, I'll show you, I'll let it stop all the way by itself. It's going down, and when it limits out, it's going to automatically stop the door. See, they all of them automatically stop. Of course, that's run on a timer. And then in the morning time, it'll do like it is now in the on position, and then they open right up. And so that's how my actuators open up the doors. And I got this timer. It was the only one I could find like that. It's a double pole. There's the wiring diagram on it. That way I can use one timer, and I can automatically switch the polarity, which causes the doors to go up or go down. I got my idea off another one that was very similar to this and built this one. They had 2 timers running. The only thing I would have liked to done different is had a 12 volt timer, so I could do everything with a battery and charge it like they were doing. But you know, maybe next time. But I like this setup right here. So thank you for watching, and I hope that gives you some ideas.